So recently I posted this video of my child's room and there were many requests in the comment section to show the entire room and also tell where I purchased certain things from where. So that's why I'm here. I thought to make an entire video on this. Assalamu alaikum. I hope everybody's doing well. So this is officially my first vlog ever on this channel. My name is Aisha, and you know me by the name Mommy Miracles on Instagram. I'm also a BLW certified expert, which is the baby led weaning certified expert. If you want to know more about me, our routines, and just catch up on our daily stories, then please make sure you follow me on Instagram as well, along with the subscribe button here. So let's start. Alright, so now I'm going to take you through this room and it's located on the first floor. So these are all the other rooms. और हम जाएंगे इस वाले रूम में. Okay, so let's start from this corner first. So this is basically like a study corner for us. So not just for him, but for me also. As you can see that my workstation is right there across the room. So I can first of all look at the entire room. If my child is playing here in the middle, I can also communicate with him while he's playing during the time I'm working on my laptop. This makes things really easy for us. This is a study table and chair which we upgraded when I turned 4 years old. और ये हमने लिया था गुल प्लाजा से. वेरी अफोर्डेबल एक्चुअली. प्रीवियसली ही हैड एन आइकिया टेबल और चेयर लैट टेबल, बट वो वी सोल्ड आउट. और फिर हमने ये लिया था. आई थिंक इट्स मोर ऑफ एन अपग्रेड टू दैट आइकिया टेबल बिकॉज इट हैड अगेन स्पेसेस सेक्शन. नीचे एक एक्स्ट्रा ड्रॉर दी हुई है. सो योर चाइल्ड स्टार्ट्स गोइंग टू स्कूल, दिस इज वेरी प्रैक्टिकल. पीपल आस्क मी अबाउट द क्वालिटी ऑफ द टेबल एंड चेयर. आई थिंक इट्स रियली गुड. जो मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात लगती है, लुक एट दैट, टू place their feet, because obviously बच्चे थक जाते हैं. So it's a good space for them to put their feet on. 3 adjustable positions. So बच्चा बड़ा हो रहा है, आप उसकी हाइट टेबल और चेयर की बड़ी कर सकते हैं, और अगर छोटा है अभी अकॉर्डिंग टू द हाइट ऑफ द चेयर एंड टेबल, तो आप इसकी हाइट छोटी कर दें. Okay, now coming towards this trolley, पहले दिखा दूँ. This was from Daraz. The quality is not as great, I'm going to be very honest. इसके साथ व्हील्स भी आते. एक व्हील ऑलरेडी टूट गया था जो बार बार टूट रहा था. बाकी व्हील्स मैंने खुद उतार दिए. तो अब इसके गिरने का डर थोड़ा कम है कंपेयर टू बिफोर, बिकॉज ये बार बार गिर जाती थी. इट वॉज वेरी अनस्टेबल. So this also comes with these extra hooks, as you can see, if you want to hang something like बच्चे का बैग हो गया. मैंने लटकाए में है our phonics flashcards for a quick repetition of each day, and then there's a work apron there when he has to do his artwork. For a trolley like this, it's very convenient अगर आप ऐसे boxes ले लें. Again, these were from Daraz, using for stamps and sharpeners. There's another one जिसमें stamps डाले हैं for quick feedback on his work. This is something I got from Temu, और ये मैंने already Instagram पे share मैंने किया हुआ है. I love this. We both love this in fact, because अभी he's 4.5 and he's learning phonics and sounds, learning to spell and also blending and segmenting. तो उसके लिए बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. I would definitely recommend if you can get your hands on this. Then moving on to the next one, here are his markers, some highlighters, some pom-poms for activities. और यहाँ पे हैं again markers. All these are washable markers, by the way, not these ones, but these ones are all washable markers. Love these mini crates. I think I already have 6 or 7 of them in our home. Some are in my fridge, some are here on his trolley. ये एक बहुत काम की चीज़ है. I'll link them below in the description. It's really good for organizing. Moving on to the third section. Okay, this is a craft basket. There are maths flashcards here. Some other activities for fine motor skills, ये हमने already कर दिया. So for cutting skills, so as you can see, बच्चा इनके around cut करता है. ये spelling flashcards. You don't have to get the exact things, but I'm just giving you an idea. Learning basket है, उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें हो सकती हैं. But obviously you are free to choose and select whatever you want to put. Some random stickers, popsicle sticks, colorful ones, some flashcards for addition, and some more flashcards. So although I'm going to be honest, बहुत फ्लैश कार्ड्स के मैं फेवर में नहीं होती हूँ, because there are many other ways to learn as well. But these flashcards are important for independent learning. That's what I would say. So आप activities के थ्रू बच्चों को. So that way. अच्छा, लास्ट जो बास्केट है इसमें है सारा प्लेडो मटेरियल. These are प्लेडो जो कटर्स एंड ऑल. इसमें प्लेडो है, इसमें प्लेडो है, इसमें प्लेडो है. There are some extra tools over here as well related to Play-Doh, as well as just a few other tools for sensory motor skills. You can develop his these pincer skills as well. I have some activities with these on my Instagram page, so you can just go there and check those out. On the top, this is kind of like an art area. जो मुझे Instagram पे पहले से follow कर रहे हैं, they must have seen this before as well. जो previously मैंने room में लगाया हुआ था right के. So now I have put it here like this, and whatever art he's making, we just hang it over here for him to see and also for us to cherish as well. So this is something we did on Independence Day, and I have already hung it here. अभी बहुत कुछ हमें करना है, so inshallah this wall will soon be filled. अच्छा, regarding these rods, I got this from a normal hardware shop. So आप किसी भी hardware shop पे चले जाएं, you can maybe take a picture right now if you want. Just screenshot this and take it to the hardware shop and ask them if they have these rods and also these rings. ये आप rings देख लें. There you go. Okay, these come with these clips, so it's easy for something to hang. इसके अलावा आप और भी चीज़ें यूज़ कर सकते हैं for their artwork. Just Google on Pinterest. You'll find so many ideas there regarding how to put their artwork on the walls. And here is my workstation. I love this little space. So if I show my drawers, so most of this is related to, Ride's homeschooling as well. These are all his worksheets that I prepare ahead before we start our day of homeschooling. This is a basket that I got from Daraz and I really like it. I think it was for 1500. It's made of cloth, it has a cardboard inside, and I use it for his stuffies, so it can be used in multiple ways. ये बहुत लंबी है, if I can just show you, see how tall it is. So आप इसमें बहुत कुछ रख सकते हो, and since it's made of cloth, so it's very, lightweight as well, बहुत heavy भी नहीं, just to clear some space. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to my favorite section. This one's a vegetable rack. It's available at Apollo, it's available at Daraz. थोड़ी सी shaky है because if you try to pick it up and put it somewhere else, इसकी baskets अलग हो जाती हैं. So that's a forewarning that I'm going to give you. But ये है कि apart from that, it's still very convenient for organization because as you can see, बहुत सी चीज़ें मैंने इसमें रखी हैं. So previously हमने puzzles बाहर रखे हुए थे on that glass stand sort of a thing. But अब सारे puzzles यहाँ हैं, and then extra things are on the top. So these include this poppets, there's just a manual pan, Nerf gun. Moving on, these are some letters. Letters are again very handy to have if you have a preschool child. Daraz से मैंने मंगवाया हुआ है, इसको मैंने लिंक भी किया है अपने Instagram पे. I can link it below as well. So इससे भी राइट ने बहुत vocabulary words सीखे हैं. I don't think it's charged right now, but it comes with a lot of cards, double-sided cards. And the last one has accessories as well, painting accessories. So this is the mat. Again, the mat was from Temu. It's on my Instagram. मैं इसको फिर link कर दूँगी below. It's a foldable cup. The child can put brushes in there, so not too many spills. I love this. We both love this. This is library और ये bookshelf के मुझे बहुत questions आते हैं. So this bookshelf is customized. It's not from any page. कहीं से मैंने नहीं मंगवाया. ये मैंने simple जो इसकी dimensions और इसकी जो image जो है वो मैंने दिखाया था एक local carpenter को. I don't even have the contact of that carpenter anymore. It was just randomly हम जा रहे थे और उसकी prices ज़रा reasonable थी. So I just showed this to him and he made it for us. सिर्फ एक चीज़ जो Pinterest पे नहीं था because this design was from Pinterest. ये जो wheels की edition थी and this has been such a good edition. So ये lock भी हो जाता है, unlock भी हो जाता है. So हम इसको continuously drag इधर उधर करते रहते हैं. Move it for cleaning because सफाई भी ज़रूरी है. So it's convenient if this has the wheels on. So if you get this made, please make sure wheels ज़रूर लगवाएं. And there will be many questions regarding the books that he has. So books के लिए I was thinking to make another video because इसमें बहुत कुछ फिर add करना पड़ेगा मुझे. So if you are interested in knowing more about it, please make sure you click that subscribe button, the bell button, and I will put on another video on all the books that he has. On this side we have sort of like a reading corner where Raid can sit and read books. Sometimes we are also doing our homeschooling here, so if I have to explain him something or if we are doing an activity, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे ही बैठ के करते हैं. This is very useful as a calming corner as well. Sometimes your kids are so overwhelmed कि उनको समझ नहीं आते कि अपने किस तरह उनको अपने melt down. For more calming strategies, you follow me on Instagram, subscribe me here. I will be sharing more strategies on that. This basket has again things that he can use on his own to learn. Like this is a whiteboard, this is a tablet, he already has 3 of them. This tablet is a must have. बहुत ही कोई मज़े की चीज़ें बनाई है जिसने भी बनाई है, but again a must have for all the kids of any age, literally. And these are just some practice books that he does it independently on his own. कोई activity books हैं, exercise books हैं. So कुछ भी आपको randomly कहीं से भी मिल जाए according to your child's age. Just make sure you put them somewhere in a basket ताकि बच्चा independently इनको use करें. These are some whiteboard markers because these are all wipe clean, wipe erase books, so he can do his work, and then later on either I erase it or he does it himself. There's an eraser there as well. These magnetic tiles were from Temu, और अगर आपने ये नहीं मंगवाए when the price was still down, I feel sorry for you, because ये उस टाइम पे इतनी reasonable price पे मैंने post किया था, and this is something amazing. One gift that I can recommend, you know, if you have to buy it for your kids or for somebody else's, magnetic tiles would be the one gift that you should be looking for. This side, as you can see, यहाँ पे हमने बनाया word corner. I put these fairy lights as well. It's worked on battery, so again something that can mesmerize the kids while they are learning. These are some sight words जो हम practice करते हैं on a daily basis, so he knows his sight words. Other than that, हम phonics practice करते हैं, like here we were practicing the long A sound, the different versions of A sound. ये wooden के हैं, again something that I had made. I used UHU tags to paste these on the wall. UHU tags से एक तो आपकी दीवारें खराब नहीं होती, and they're easily available at any stationery store. It's excellent to put small stuff on the walls. If this is your first time on the channel, then please hit the subscribe button. You'll find a lot of videos regarding kids' meals, their lunchbox preparation, you know, everything else. So yeah, stay tuned and